Welcome to LITBLINDS Store YouTube channel. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping. Best design for Windows shutters. Window shutters are versatile and functional additions to any home, seamlessly blending aesthetic appeal with practicality. These architectural elements serve as both decorative features and highly efficient tools for controlling light, privacy, and ventilation. Their customizable designs, ranging from traditional louvers to contemporary panel styles, allow homeowners to express their unique taste and complement the overall aesthetic of their interiors. Beyond their visual appeal, shutters offer exceptional light control, allowing residents to effortlessly adjust the amount of natural light entering a room. They also provide a layer of insulation, helping to regulate indoor temperatures and enhance energy efficiency. The ability to tilt the louvers or fully open the shutters allows for precise control over privacy, making them an ideal choice for both residential and commercial spaces. Whether used as standalone window treatments or in combination with other window coverings, shutters stand as a timeless and practical investment in home design. In addition to their aesthetic and functional benefits, window shutters contribute to the overall architectural integrity of a home. Their classic and enduring appeal makes them a valuable element that can enhance curb appeal and increase property value. Beyond their exterior impact, shutters also play a crucial role in enhancing interior design by providing a cohesive and polished look to rooms. The wide range of finishes, stains, and colors available for shutters allows homeowners to seamlessly integrate them into any design scheme, from rustic and traditional to modern and minimalist. Furthermore, window shutters are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Constructed from high-quality materials, they withstand the test of time and resist the effects of sunlight, moisture, and temperature fluctuations. This durability ensures that shutters remain a long-lasting investment, sparing homeowners from frequent replacements or repairs. Easy to clean and maintain, shutters offer a hassle-free solution for those seeking both style and practicality in their window treatments. Beyond their practical attributes, shutters also contribute to a healthier living environment. The adjustable louvers enable residents to manage airflow and ventilation, promoting better indoor air quality. This feature is particularly beneficial in controlling humidity levels and preventing the buildup of mold and mildew. In conclusion, window shutters stand as a multifaceted design choice, combining timeless elegance with practical functionality. Whether used for their aesthetic impact, light control, privacy management, or energy efficiency, shutters remain a versatile and enduring choice for enhancing the beauty and functionality of any home or space. The versatility of window shutters extends to their adaptability in various architectural styles and settings. From quaint cottages to contemporary urban dwellings, shutters seamlessly integrate with diverse design aesthetics, making them a universal choice for homeowners and designers alike. Their ability to evoke a sense of warmth, sophistication, or even a touch of nostalgia contributes to the overall ambience of a space. Window shutters also serve as an effective backdrop for interior decor, providing a neutral yet visually appealing canvas against which furnishings and artwork can shine. Their timeless design ensures that they remain in vogue, resisting the ebb and flow of design trends, thus offering a long-lasting and reliable design element for any home. For those seeking an eco-friendly option, many shutters are crafted from sustainable materials, promoting environmental responsibility without compromising on style. This conscientious choice aligns with the growing trend towards eco-conscious living and sustainable home design. Moreover, window shutters can be customized to fit a variety of window shapes and sizes, allowing for a tailored solution to even the most challenging architectural configurations. Whether adorning standard rectangular windows, arched openings, or uniquely shaped frames, shutters provide a cohesive and harmonious look throughout a home. In summary, the allure of window shutters lies not only in their visual and functional benefits but also in their adaptability, durability, and eco-friendly options. As a result, these architectural elements continue to stand as an enduring symbol of style and practicality in homes around the world, enhancing the overall living experience for residents. Beyond their design versatility, window shutters offer an added layer of security and peace of mind for homeowners. When closed and secured, shutters act as a deterrent to potential intruders, providing an extra barrier against unauthorized access. This security feature adds an additional layer of protection to homes, contributing to the overall safety and well-being of residents. Additionally, window shutters play a pivotal role in managing external noise levels. The solid construction of shutters helps to reduce outside disturbances, creating a more serene and comfortable indoor environment. This noise-reducing quality is especially valuable for those living in busy urban areas or near high-traffic zones. Window shutters also play a practical role in protecting interior furnishings and decor from the potentially damaging effects of harsh sunlight. By allowing residents to control the amount of sunlight entering a room, shutters help to preserve the vibrancy of fabrics, furniture, and artworks, preventing premature fading and wear. Furthermore, the timeless appeal of shutters makes them a valuable investment for homeowners looking to increase the resale value of their property. Potential buyers often appreciate the aesthetic and functional benefits of well-maintained shutters, adding an attractive feature to a home and potentially influencing their decision. In conclusion, window shutters go beyond their visual and decorative aspects to offer security, noise reduction, protection against sunlight, and potential value addition to a property. These practical advantages, coupled with their enduring design appeal, make window shutters a comprehensive and indispensable element in the realm of home decor and functionality. Window shutters also contribute to energy efficiency within a home, making them a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious individuals. By providing an additional layer of insulation, shutters help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the reliance on heating and cooling systems. This not only leads to energy savings but also contributes to a lower carbon footprint, aligning with the growing emphasis on green building practices. The adjustable nature of shutters allows residents to harness natural light strategically, minimizing the need for artificial lighting during the day. This not only reduces energy consumption but also promotes a healthier and more productive living environment by enhancing the quality of natural light indoors. Moreover, window shutters have a unique ability to foster a connection with the outdoors while maintaining a level of privacy. By adjusting the louvers or opening the shutters partially, residents can enjoy views of the surrounding landscape without compromising on their personal space. This balance between openness and privacy creates a harmonious living experience that connects occupants with the external environment. In terms of functionality, many modern shutters come equipped with motorized or automated systems, allowing for convenient and efficient control. This automation not only enhances user convenience but also contributes to the overall efficiency and smart functionality of a home. In essence, window shutters serve as a holistic solution, encompassing aesthetics, functionality, energy efficiency, and smart living features. Their ability to address multiple aspects of home living makes them a well-rounded and impactful addition to any residential space.
With innovation. LITBLINDS required professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. LITBLINDS work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers: USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store.
LITBLINDS.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LITBLINDS.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments and share.